Now we move on to what built Ford. This is what built Ford Tough was named for. This is the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. I wanted to show you guys a few things inside. This does come with a standard key. It does not come with a fob. So a lot of people will like that. But as soon as you start the truck, the first thing I notice is that it is not loud. I love this about these trucks. Pay attention to the dashboard here. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. All you have to do is hit OK right here. And then that disappears. So does that. Then it shows you everything. It'll show you how hot your car is. It'll show if your oil's high or low, all that good stuff. It shows you your gas gauge, of course. And then the one thing that I love to highlight in here, of course, is the LCD touchscreen navigation, but the B&O sound system in these trucks.
Even on the worst of days, I know it's gonna be okay, as long as I've got you right here with me.